Okay guys, CARTY and CARTY here guys, coming to you with a video. This is a HP printer, and let's see here now the model number. As you guys can see, let me see if I see the model number anywhere. Here should be up here, and that's 7KW75A product. It said product number. Yeah, yep, and it doesn't say like model. And then you see the serial number up here guys. It's yep, CNBR09T7P8. Yep, that's it guys. So this is the one I'm working on, and this one comes to me like guys with no power to it. So they said it's not turning on, nothing like that. So let me show you what's happening when I take off the side piece, which is this piece here. I'm gonna show you some more, and then I open it only to find here, as you can see, it's visible. The problem here is a power supply problem. You can see that cap, it's burst. And then this fuse, you could see it's dark. You could see the dark side of the fuse, so the fuse is blow. Or something happened before the fuse blows. So I know the problem is on this board, circuit board here, the power supply board. And this look kind of, no, it's not that. Yeah, it's not bad. So I'm gonna take it apart guys. As you can see, where normally hook the camera up, this is too big. The printer on the table, so I don't have no stand for it up. So I have to videoing like this guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning guys. Get this up and running. So I'm gonna replace this capacitor, which is a 200 volts cap, and it says 6800 microfarad or 6800 UF. Yep, and replace that fuse. I don't know if this diode is bad here, this 4-way diode right here, this rectifier diode. It could be, but you know, sometimes these resistor here, this low ohm resistor, yeah, and some other bunch of stuff can happen. The EV is up to, yeah, this can go bad. And there's a transistor right here, which normally sometimes situation like this goes bad. Yes guys, so I'll let you guys know in a minute what's up with this one. Alright guys, please stay tuned.